Today we will see session number 18 in Catia, creating details views. This task will show you how to create from the 3D a detail view using either circles as a callout or sketched profiles. Note that the procedure varies slightly depending on the method you choose. In this scenario, you will learn how to create a detail view. A detail view is a partial generated view that shows only what is necessary in the clear descriptions of the object. Note that the detail view command uses a boolean operators from the 3D, whereas the quick detail view commands computes the view directly from the 2D projections. The representation is the therefore different. You can see this one is a detail view. Creating clipping view. This task show you how to create from a 3D clipping view using either a circle as a callout for clipping view or a sketched profiles for a clipping view profile. The procedure varies slightly depending on the method you choose. A clipping view is similar to a detail view. It is a partial generated view that shows only what is necessary in the clear descriptions of the object. The difference between the clipping view and the detail view is that the clipping view replaces the primary view when a detail view is created in addition. Also note that the clipping view commands uses a boolean operators from the 3D, whereas the quick clipping view commands computes the view directly from the 2D projections. The representation is therefore different. You can see this one is a clipping view. Creating a broken view. This task shows you how to create a broken from the an active and up to date generated view. You will define two profiles corresponding to the part to be broken from the view extremities. You can see this one is a broken. Add 3D clipping. This task explains how to define easily the 3D limits of the geometry to be visualized without entering the DMU workbench. This command is especially useful for voluminous assembly. Creating wizard. This task will show you how to create a views using a wizard. These views are views that are generated automatically once the CAD drawing document is opened. These views can be modified if they had been manually created one after the other. Creating breakout view. This task will show you how to create a breakout view. In other words, you will remove locally materials from a generated view in order to visualize the remaining visible internal part. A breakout view is the one not in a direct projections from the view containing the cutting profile. In other words, it is not positioned in agreement with the standard arrangement of the views. A breakout view is often a partial sections. You can see this one is a breakout view. Adding a seat. You can add new seat anytime. This new seats will be assigned to the same standard formats and orientation as the seat first, created and defined using the new drawing dialog. Default setting. Let's see in Katia. Firstly, we will see detail view. You can insert after that views, and this one is a detail. Select a detail and select and move somewhat. You can see it is a detail view is generating. You can see this one is a detail view. I'm increasing this size. Detail A. You can see this one is a detail A. Okay. Next one is a clipping view. Go again, view, insert, views, and clipping. You can select whichever part. I want this one. You can see clipping is a generating. This one is a clipping means cutting the clipping other parts. Let's see what is the break view. Go in insert views and here you can see broken view. Select broken view and select which part you want. This one and you can select this one and click on here. Now you can see here broken view is generating in front view. You can see this one is a broken view. Zoom it again, zoom it, move some more. You can see this one is a broken, that is called as a broken view. Next we will see wizard and sheet add. Insert, go in insert and drawing and sheet and new sheet. You can sheet create from here. Sheet 1 and sheet 2. And wizard, we will see insert and views and there is a wizard. You can see this is a preview of it. Bottom, front, left. You can give the bottom, front, right. You can change wizards from here. Okay. This session is completed. Thank you.